Hi everyone, I'm Sarika and welcome to my vlog. Today's job market is more competitive than ever. So I'm going to tell you how to write or modify your CV that will make your CV stand out from the crowd and get you the interview. So let's understand what is CV. A CV is a document used when applying for jobs or for a degree. It allows you to summarize your education, skills, and experience, enabling you to successfully sell your abilities to potential employers. But why is CV so important? Because first impression count, especially when you're applying for jobs. The traditional way of writing CV was lengthy, too wordy, long paragraphs, and monotonous tone. But in today's busy world, nobody has got too much time. So they need something short, catchy, spunk, and different from the rest of the world. So the 3 tips which I follow are, the first is relevant. So is your CV relevant to the job description you're applying for? There's a section in job description which says basic qualifications or must-haves. These are like educations, certifications, experiences, skill sets. So the tip is to make sure you address basic qualifications right at the top of your CV. You must be thinking now, what is the right order of CV? Experiences or qualifications at the top? My suggestion is to write basic qualifications and nail it at very top. Start with education and below that write your skills and certificates that make you employable. And the rest of your CV will be your experiences. There is no need for summary at the top, so free up the valuable space. The number 2 is include numbers to show and prove the results of what you learned and gained from the experience. If you can quantify your results on your CV, it goes a long way. Start each sentence with a buzzword like created, managed, solved, innovated, or even led. One of the examples which I'm going to say is, when I write my CV, I start with manage the performance of 15 direct reports to maintain delivery goals. The second example would be led 16 process improvement projects using new techniques. The third would be created an innovative planning tool that calculates capacity in hours and units. And another would be manage 11 suppliers for XYZ project with cross-functional teams consisting of up to 15 people. And as you can see, you can read numbers quickly. So the faster your CV can be read, the better. The tip number 3 is concise, which means give a lot of information in few words. So make it brief yet comprehensive. Make each bullet point concise and relevant to the job description. In the sentence, make sure you use the same tense to make it consistent. If you're writing about your current job, use present tense. And if you're writing about your previous experience, use past tense. Also make sure the title, your experience, like your designation, who was your employer, when you worked for them, and definitely the timelines, as employers are interested to know when you worked for them. My example is job designation is business analyst, say the company name is IBM, and the date is say from July 2010 to June 2015. If you want a free template, leave me your email ID in the comment section below and I'll share the template used in this video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to not miss any update from me. Thanks for watching.